Yeah, now Tivoli Gardens recovered from 2 goals down for a thrilling 3-2 win over Harbour in the Jamaica Premier League at the Edward Sianga Sports Complex. Rohan Brown gave Harbour the perfect start, scoring in the 9th and 26th minutes. However, Radhika Wellington secured the win for Tivoli with a brilliant hat-trick in the 33rd, 35th and 61st minutes.
It's not one of the best, but I get 3 goals. Come on, like who wanna take that? And as you can see, couple games well, Tivoli don't score a goal. 4 or 5 games and I come out and score a trick today for the team. Well, it's a plus and I love that.
The amount of chances that we created, we should have easily won this game by at least 6 goals. But, you know, a win is a win.
In other games, current leaders Montego Bay United defeated champions Cavalier 3-1 at Jarrett Park. 8th on the table, Dunbeholden defeated 4th placed Portmore United 2-1 at Dunbeholden, while relegation threatened Malines United missed the chance to move above the red line after playing to a 2-2 draw with Chapperton Maroons at Turner's Oval.